Programming your VW Passat key fob involves synchronizing the remote with your car's immobilizer system. The process depends on your Passat's model year. Newer models 2023 and later are phasing out physical fobs for smartphone apps, while older models from 2015 to 2022 require onboard diagnostics or dealer tools. You'll typically need an OBD2 scanner like VCDS or Autel Maxicom and the original key fob. The basic process involves unlocking the car, entering accessory mode, using diagnostic software to access the key learning menu, cycling the key in the ignition, and testing the fob. Remember, mismatched frequencies or software versions can cause issues, so proceed carefully. Digital keys via smartphone apps are becoming increasingly common in VW vehicles. VW is exploring biodegradable key fob materials and rechargeable batteries for future models. For DIY programming, always back up your ECU data to prevent lockouts. Watch out for cheap eBay fobs, as compatibility issues are frequent. Be aware of security enhancements in newer models, like rolling codes and encryption, which prevent relay attacks. Always consult VW's official resources or a certified professional to ensure compliance with vehicle warranties and avoid potentially disabling your vehicle.